Hey, Mr. Curiosity, is it true what they've been saying about you? Are you killing me? You took care of the cat already. And for those who think it's heavy, is it the truth or is it only gossip? Call it mystery or anything, just as long as you'd call me. I sent the message on, did you get it when I left it? See, this catastrophic event, it wasn't meant to mean no harm, but to think there's nothing wrong is a problem. I'm looking for love this time, sounding hopeful, but it's making me cry. Love is a mystery, Mr. Curious. Come back to me, Mr. Waiting, ever patient, can't you see that I'm the same the way you left me? In a hurry to spell check me, and I'm underlined already in envy green in pencil red. And I've forgotten what you said, where you stop working for the dead and return. Mr. Curious, well, I need some inspiration. It's my birthday and I cannot find no cause for celebration. The scenario is grave, but I'll be braver when you save me from the situation laden with hearsay. I'm looking for love this time, sounding hopeful, but it's making me cry. And love is a mystery, Mr. Curiosity, be Mr. Please do come and find me.